Refrigeration has become an integral part of the modern life. Here at SAL Group of Institutions, the Mechanical Engineering Department has created a refrigeration lab where all kind of technologies associated with refrigeration are installed out here for demonstration and learning purposes. I have with me Professor Manisha Yadav, who is the head of this laboratory, who would explain us in further detail about what this lab is all about and what all it can do. Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am, would you tell what is the scope and expanse of this laboratory?
Sir, actually for testing purpose or for the training for the students or for grooming the skill of the students and the purpose, what is the purpose of the heat pump like and the mini refrigeration tutors and the ice plants and which are the refrigeration tutors and the observation cycles which the mini type of the refrigerator which is used for the home purpose and these are the components which is used for the refrigerator like the compressor, condenser and evaporators and the expansion valves. And about the technical purpose and the experimental uses are shown in by demonstrating all the things which is used for this.
So it's more of a demonstration lab where you can show all the processes of
All the
refrigeration.
processes are shown by me and another using these cycling of the testing machines like heat pumps and the ice plants like that. So
How this demonstration is taking forward, like how well the students are equipped after a course in this laboratory?
if you, after going to the college, then any industry, if I want take any industries like Blue Star or Daikin and the Voltas, all the components which are used for you making the AC like and the refrigerators and these things which is explained here are used in further in industries like that. So these are the important things for the students or for any experimental values.
Is the air conditioning of this campus managed by the students of this lab?
Sometimes
Probably that is the next target of this laboratory to be in action.
aware about all the things and they will manage the air conditionings like and the refrigerators.
I think it's a great head start where at least the demonstration of the entire refrigeration process, which is too very central in an agrarian economy like India, where we still have to import a huge chunk of refrigeration equipments from abroad, at least the technology part of it. So laboratories like this probably would go on to the next level of innovation, and they will certainly bring out they will bridge the technological gaps which are there with the Indian industry and make India self-sufficient in the space of refrigeration, because the entire country has to invest a lot on large-scale cold storages and lot of refrigeration processes in place. So the direction in which the SAL Institute of Technology and Engineering Research is moving is certainly following its twin vision of creating an international impact along with a strong local commitment.